Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's how you can watch BGT India versus Australia live for free, bypassing the 5-minute watch limit on Hotstar. As you can see, I have already expired my 5-minute watch limit, so all you need to do is just follow the simple steps I will walk you through. Firstly, go to Browser Settings followed by Cookies and Site Permissions, and then Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Then go to See All Cookies and Data, and here you can search for Hotstar and remove all shown. And it's done, and just refresh and enjoy the show. Only downside is that you'll have to do this every 5 minutes, so just open the tab right next to the Hotstar tab on your browser for your ease. Here's the proof that this trick works. Enjoy.
I think he's got a bowl from the right end where...
Thank you for your time. Like and subscribe for more simple tricks. I'll be back soon.